Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube TV on your smart TV. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is first, simply go to the Play Store on your smart TV. And then in the search panel, which is right here at the top, simply search for YouTube TV. And then you should be able to see an application called YouTube TV if it is available in your region. So if you are in the US, you should be able to see YouTube TV here, but if you're outside of the US, it might cause some issues. So you might have to change your location, okay? But if you're able to see YouTube TV in the Play Store, all you do is simply press install, and then the installation will begin just like this, as you can see here. Now, simply wait for the installation to finish completely. And as you can see, the installation is finished. Now you can directly click on Open to start YouTube TV. That's the complete process for downloading and installing YouTube TV on your smart TV. So that's it. You have successfully installed YouTube TV on your smart TV without needing any external streaming stick or separate device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.